Howdy, I'm CyberAxe with Outlandishly Crafted, and today I'm showing you how to go get a kitty. I know you want a cat in the game, and you can't have a cat in the game right now, but I put a cat in the game just as an accessory, and you can go get it. Yeah, you can. Let's take a picture, and I'll show you in just a second where to get it. I'm going to upload it right now. So I got my fancy little kitty in here. It's called CyberAxe Kitty. I'm going to upload it, and it goes into the canvas. So you can go to the canvas, put in CyberAxe, and then download. Yeah, you can. You can download it right from Canvas. So let's check it out. Let's go to Canvas and see. It didn't say uploaded. That bugs me. Should have said it uploaded, but if you jump in here, you can see I've got my axe. You can go over, do it, and then you can just download it, and that should give you the outfit. Sometimes it won't do it if they're really big, or it might take a second to do it, but I got a bong in there, I got some wings, I got a unicorn horn, a tail, some other stuff, and we'll have the cats in there pretty soon if you want to go get them. So you can go over and let's see, we'll grab this one. We'll go back to upload CyberAxe Cat. Oh, let's do 2 CyberAxe Kitty 2 Kitty. You can do this as well if you have something that you've put in the game, or maybe you have a cat that you put in the game. You can go in there and you can also upload it. So just like I'm doing right now, you're going to go in, it puts you in the photo mode. So find one of these poses that you like that works for what you're doing. Let's see if we can find the one that we were using. I don't think it was sofas. There you go. Oh, that's a good one. Playing with the kitty. There's a good one too. So then you find your pose, you take your picture, you snap it, and now it's in here, and it's an outfit preset, and then you can upload. You could even do it as a inZOI preset, and then it has all of it. So then I can upload it, and then if it's not too big, it should pop up and say uploaded. Yay, view it, which it seems like it's not doing. So you may not be able to get the cat. We'll have to see. It might also just take a while. But there you go. That's how to grab a kitty for your outfit from the CyberAxe. Thanks for watching.